Ladies and gentlemen, this is it. The final dance of the Alfa Romeo Stelvio Quadrifoglio. Before this Italian thoroughbred gallops off into the sunset, we're taking one last look at what might just be the most exciting performance SUV ever created, because for 2025, this model will be discontinued. Let's start with what makes this Italian stallion so special. Under that sculpted hood lies a Ferrari-derived twin-turbo V6 that pumps out an earth-shattering 505 horsepower. And trust me, you'll feel every single one of them when you punch the throttle. 0 to 60? Gone in just 3.3 seconds. That's supercar territory, folks, in something that can still do your Costco runs. But here's the thing about the Stelvio Quadrifoglio. It's not just about straight-line speed. Point this SUV at a twisty road, and it transforms into something magical. The steering is razor-sharp. The adaptive suspension reads the road like a fortune teller. And those massive Brembo brakes? They'll halt this 4,300-pound beast faster than your heart can skip a beat. For 2024, Alfa Romeo is sending off the Quadrifoglio with style. There's a special 100th Anniversario edition that's dripping with gorgeous details. Gold brake calipers, carbon fiber everywhere you look, and special badges that'll make any car enthusiast weak in the knees. Starting at $94,965, it's not cheap, but then again, masterpieces rarely are. Inside, you're wrapped in leather and Alcantara, with carbon fiber trim that looks like it belongs in a modern art museum. Sure, the 8.8-inch screen isn't the biggest, but who cares about the infotainment when you're carving up canyon roads like they're butter? Now, let's address the elephant in the room. Practicality. The back seat isn't huge, and you won't be hauling any furniture with 19 cubic feet of cargo space. But seriously, if you're shopping for a 505 horsepower Italian performance SUV, are you really worried about fitting a love seat in the back? The real magic of the Stelvio Quadrifoglio is how it makes you feel. In a world of increasingly synthesized driving experiences, this Alfa Romeo is raw, emotional, and gloriously alive. Every drive becomes an event. Every corner, an opportunity. Every startup, a symphony. Yes, the fuel economy is about what you'd expect. 17 city, 23 highway. And yes, Alfa's reliability reputation isn't exactly Toyota-like, but that's missing the point entirely. This isn't just a car, it's a statement, a rebellion against boring, a middle finger to mediocrity. As the sun sets on the Stelvio Quadrifoglio era, we're not just losing another performance SUV, we're saying goodbye to one of the last truly character-driven vehicles in its class. In a segment increasingly dominated by computers and algorithms, the Stelvio remains steadfastly, unapologetically human. So here's my verdict. If you can get your hands on one of these final examples, do it. In 20 years, we'll look back at the Stelvio Quadrifoglio as one of those special vehicles that defined an era. A reminder of when performance SUVs weren't just about numbers, but about soul. Because sometimes, just sometimes, the most beautiful things in life don't make perfect sense. They just make you smile. But hey, that's just my take. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to catch our next review. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.